Hi everyone who take time to look this video. My name is Serge and I want to show you some ideas how we get an acceleration in the space without jet movement principles. The main goal is to take cheap and stable method of conclusion weights on an orbit and in a space. To complete understanding of hero drive principles, we must look for example. We have two flywheel and bullets with mass m small and mass of the flywheel is m large. At this picture, the first example, at this picture, second example. From the first example, the bullet strikes on the point on the round of the flywheel. And at the second example, the bullet strikes into center of the flywheel. When the bullet strikes into the flywheel and sticking it, the center of the mass is give the velocity. If you decide these examples, you can see that the velocity of central mass is not the same. In this case, we can use this principle to get acceleration, because if we put first example into the box and strike bullet into the flywheel, we can see that the system is not stopped after interaction. I make a performance with this example, and I want to show you the video where you can see the acceleration of the systems using these principles.
Один, два, три, четыре. Чем быстрее двигается, тем сложнее попасть.
How you can see in the video, I get acceleration, and upgrade this idea, I change the flywheel to the gyroscope, and I want to show you a picture where I describe the principles of the hero drive with gyroscope. I change the flywheel and the bullet. The flywheel is the gyroscope and bullet is the electromagnets. And basis on the principles of electromagnet interaction and gyroscope principles, I create the hero drive model. And what about the second idea? Sometimes we need to look around and see interesting process which we can make a reality. This idea came to my head after looking this next video. Construction of the spaceship include Astro Observatory, living modules, conductive contour, power generator module, gyroscopes of the Hero Drive, production contour, and other specific modules which we need to use in the spaceship. Every star in the space is a powerful source of the electromagnetic fields, and we can use these fields to get acceleration when we interact with this field and use principles shown in the last video. Let's imagine this is the Sun. This is the electromagnetic field of the Sun. For example, our spaceship drop down to the Sun and interact with the electromagnetic field of the Sun, provide the interaction force and change the velocity of the spaceship, speed up or speed down, for example. Evaluation of the shown ideas is provide us the cheap methods to get access to the space, to use the possibilities which we can get from space, stars and other planets. For example, energy, resources, plants and many other things we can perform with these engines which was shown in my presentation. Thank you for your time, and if you have interest for my ideas, you can find my email and contact with me. Thank you very much.